So I'm constantly undecided whether I want to just shave off my head or let it grow again. So maybe that's why most of the time you guys see me wear a hat. For those who have ordered already, I got some orders ready for you guys. Wow, this is the first red one that I'm seeing in person. Looks pretty dope with the white letters. Again, if you guys haven't ordered, make sure to go get yourself a Mad Hilux shirt. I think they came out pretty clean. But today, I'm gonna be doing some shit to my bumper. What's up, G?
What's up, bro?
Damn, that's 2000. I heard you coming, bro. I was like, fuck, it's louder than I expected.
Is it really that loud?
Yeah, I mean, I heard you. It's deep, dude. Sounds nice, though.
Thanks, bro. I appreciate that. It's windy out here, damn.
Oh, yeah, I know. Alright, guys, so today, first of all, I'm gonna take off my bumper. I'm gonna respray it, just touch up some of like these scratches and marks and stuff. And also, I'm gonna be trying to realign. I'm trying to show you guys how I could realign this so it's not sagging and it's more held up. Alright, so I took off my bumper because obviously I'm gonna respray it, but it's kind of dirty, so I don't know if I should hose it down first, wipe it, then I'm gonna respray it black because, like I said, tons of scratches all over the place and I want it to look fresh. Damn, my boy with the fresh ass shoes.
Hey, chill, bro.
Fresh ass fit, damn, homie. Also, just for the hell of it, gonna use some 2000 grit sandpaper, so the paint sticks a little better. Buy one, you get one free.
At Domino's, bro.
Oh shit, we about to get some Domino's or what?
Wrap, bro.
It's a wrap.
Buy one, get one free.
Hey, if Jesus was here, dude, he'd be disappointed, bro. We not getting Little Caesars.
He'll fucking slap us.
My boy, he would slap us and then eat our pizza.
I know, for real.
Alright, got it all scuffed up. Now I'm just kind of wiping it a bit more. And then I'm going to start adding the paper to cover up the blinkers. And we're set to start spraying. Alright guys, so before I finish up, my boy ordered pizza from Domino's. We're going to go pick that up real quick. And I will come back and spray that. That's pretty nice. Damn. Must be nice to have S2000.
That's alright.
That's alright. Hey, do you ever miss the BMW?
Yeah, bro. You know, it was odd, like, you know, even though as a car guy, you know, you prefer manual, but I mean, automatic was nice. Just chilling. My cup holders weren't in the damn way, bro. They were right here.
Exactly.
It was cool, bro.
Yeah, that was cool, man. You had a car to give people squad rides.
Yeah, exactly.
That's one squad car that's gone now, man.
That's just Leo now.
I know, right? But now back to taping this off so I could hurry up and spray this. So then I could also show you how to throw on the bumper so it's nice and fitted. So the annoying part is finished. Now we just get to the rattle cam part. This is where our ghetto specialties come in handy. Andy,
what's up, bro?
you not my girl. What the fuck?
Oh shit.
What you doing? What you doing in my bedroom? What the fuck?
Bro, what you mean? All of a sudden.
All right, so we're letting the paint on the bumper kind of dry a bit, and so my boy is playing
PUBG. You already know. Fuck
the
Fortnite.
Xbox. He said, "Fuck Fortnite." He over here playing PUBG.
Hell yeah.
And my boy, he look like Bane right now. He's bald and he got a gas mask on.
Hello, Batman.
Hello. So me and Andy, low-key been thinking about, you know, we got shirts, Andy's got hats, stickers. I need to do some stickers too. But would you guys want to buy some lanyards? Imagine, Andy.
Ooh,
Oh, lanyards, bro. With
nice.
like Mad Helix, or like, you know, for mine, Mad Helix along the sides, or his Broke Boys. BBS ZN even, bro, all along the sides of the fucking lanyards. That'd be dope. But let us know if you guys want us to make some lanyards. Alright, so I'm gonna turn on my car real quick because I gotta pull it up right here so I can drill a little bit, because I don't think the wire is gonna go far enough to reach it. That cold start. I think my truck and your S2000 are like the same size. They're so tiny.
Yours is bigger.
Yeah, mine's a little longer, but fuck, bro, that shit's tiny. Hey, MX-5 or what?
What?
Is that MX-5? Alright, so, oh shit, kicked the fuck out of my bumper. I rip all this shit off so that I could throw it back on. Alright, so I'm gonna throw this bumper back on, but I don't have a washer. Alright, so what I was gonna do was get a screw like this and put it through one of the holes, and I was gonna cut it a certain length so that I could put it inside of the bumper and it would line the bumper up with the fenders of the truck. But I don't have a washer for the other end, so I might continue the video on to tomorrow. My boy leaving me by myself for the rest of this video. What?
What? I'm not leaving you.
You're leaving me.
Right there in your heart.
You'll be right there in my heart. This guy. That low-key sounds pretty badass. Little tiny Miata. Sounds all deep and everything. Hey bro, how much you get your MX-5 for? That my boy Francis. That's my boy Francis. I'm gonna get you your shirt right now. My boy came to pick up
I'll probably like the
his
second one
first,
to buy.
huh?
I paid in cash, people.
Paid cash, cause he's the homie and he lives down the street.
Legit.
So my boy didn't even have to pay for shipping. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Reppin'.
Now he charged me for shipping. I live like a block away. He still
Yeah,
charged me for
ripping.
shipping.
Reppin', bro. Also, take a look at this. It looks a lot cleaner now that I resprayed it black. Anyways, now that I resprayed it black, it looks a lot cleaner. There's you don't see any of the metal scratches. Kind of bugs me how dented up the bottom lip is. You see, that's kind of sagging. Fuck. Oh shit. It's all on zip ties and everything, but yeah. Might be a little too bright still to fuck with my lighting, but let's check it out. Let me just get that so if you guys are thinking about some headlights, I'd suggest going to aux beam and getting some LEDs because they are pretty bright. Alright guys, so I'm gonna continue this video on to tomorrow because I don't have any washers to hook up. I don't have any washers to hook up this thing to my bumper so that it's aligned properly. So I'm gonna wait till tomorrow and I could probably get some with Leo because it's already getting dark and I don't want to be vlogging at night because you obviously can't see anything. But I will catch you guys tomorrow. Don't trip, guys. All the water you guys just saw come out of my bed of my truck, it's from the sprinklers from last night. Alright guys, so I took off the wheel so I have a little more room to work. But yeah, basically I'm gonna drill up around right here, somewhere around right here. But yeah, so I might drill maybe, I'm guessing like somewhere right here, this area. Alright guys, so I started drilling and I'm gonna have to go up one more size because the hole that I drilled doesn't quite fit. It's a tiny little hole, so I'm just gonna go up one more size on the drill bit and it should be enough. So I'm gonna try and put the screw through it. Put this right here. And let's see. And I'm gonna have the washer hold it. Now it's just about making sure that it lines up with the bracket for the bumper. It still wiggles and stuff because this is part where you're gonna have to kind of force it and kind of bend the metal a bit to be like right there. Alright guys, so I have a problem and for now I'm not gonna be able to finish this because I took this off of the bumper and the inside part is, you can't even see it, the inside part is super stripped and all fucked up, so screws won't even go in there. But I'm gonna have to get a new one. Then when I get a new one, I'll be able to put it on like I was saying. Hopefully from this video you got what I was trying to do. You know, the idea was that, you know, if this were to cooperate and not be stripped, this would have went like right behind here. But you would have to do it while pushing up so that it lines up and doesn't sag like that. I'm not gonna be able to do that right now. I'll probably go to the junkyard, find one, and finish this. But if you're trying this out, you know, it shouldn't be hard. I pretty much explained a lot of what I was doing. You know, just when you go to put it on, use one of these. I got it from Home Depot. Can't remember what it was called, but it was near the plumbing section. And yeah, you just make sure you push it up, and when you put it on, put it so this thing is behind, and the screw should go through this one and this thing. Again, I forgot what it was called. And it should hold up like that. Also, I'm gonna have to spray it a couple more times black. Probably do that later. But it does overall, like even the front looks a lot cleaner and, you know, somewhat brand new. A little annoying that I wasn't able to finish this video like I wanted to, but you got the idea. You know, if you got a saggy bumper like mine, I recommend doing the same thing because it will hold it up. Shout out to my boy Juan with the 1JZ mini truck. He's the one that showed me that. And so yeah, when I go to the junkyard and pick up the new piece for the bumper, I'm definitely gonna put it on right and it's gonna look nice. And I'll show it to you guys too when it's all cleaned up. But you guys should try that if your bumper kind of sags like that, like mine. Next video, I might try making some custom vents in one of my fenders. If you guys remember, when I got hit, my right side fender has a big ass dent in it. It's in my garage, I still have it. So I might use that one as a practice and might cut like a little vent into it just to see what it looks like. You know, there's no harm, I'm not gonna throw the fender back on anyway. But thank you guys for watching my nonsense and, you know, my unfinished video. Thank you guys who are subscribed, and if you aren't subscribed, give me a subscribe. Maybe you like what you see on my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next video.